Vegas, baby. So we took a quick Uber and we made it to Brewery Row, which is just outside the Vegas Strip area. And there's loads of brewery here. So we're now enjoying the sun on the patio. We got beers. I got like a mango one, so good. Then how much was the bill here for 2 beers and wings?
$19.
$19. That's cheap. We had quite a few drinks, so we're gonna go have a nap now. We are all refreshed from our nap, and now we are getting ready to go out to dinner. It's definitely a splurge, and we are going to Hell's Kitchen for dinner. I've never watched the show, but it's such a famous restaurant, and we wanted to do a little treat. Well, this is kind of like a big treat, and there was a table available this morning when we checked, so here we are. I tried to do my hair with the little mini iron. It's not the best, but for tonight it will do. Let me show you the outfit. So I went for a black dress, my boots, and then I got this at Boot Barn a few days ago. On our way to Vegas, we stopped in Kingman, so sporting it out. And then I also have these gorgeous earrings. God, why is this so hard? There we go. I have these gorgeous earrings that are a gift from my sister. Beautiful. It just fits the outfit perfectly. All right, all ready to go to dinner. So now I have the beef Wellington, the famous beef Wellington. So tender, really good. So now we got dressed and we're gonna go to the Bellagio Buffet for breakfast on the MGM app, which is what this resort is part of, like the MGM resorts. And same as the Bellagio, we were able to get 2 for 1. Is that it? On the breakfast buffet?
Yeah.
2 for 1. So that's why we're going to the Bellagio Buffet for breakfast. starting to research the Bacchanal buffet at the Caesar's Palace and the buffet at the Wynn are like the best buffets. But we came here because we had that deal. It's quite expensive, but this is excellent. So, highly recommend it. Second service, it includes mac and cheese and a sushi, because why not? On my way back from breakfast, I stumbled across the Ariat store, which is brand new, that the lady at the store told me, so excellent timing. So I made some purchases. Let me show you. We first have this oversized blue cowboy t-shirt. Love an oversized t-shirt, and it says Ariat Las Vegas, so I thought it was like a nice souvenir. I got this gorgeous blouse, so pretty with all the detailing, and then the back as well, and it's snap buttons, which I love. And then I also got this cute little crop top. I think it's just gonna be perfect for when I go line dancing. I will now go enjoy this gorgeous sunny day in Vegas and go spend some time at the pool.
Oh yeah?
It's not salty.
I don't know. We need to add more stuff to it.
We are going to see Cirque du Soleil! The Cirque du Soleil show was amazing. I have seen a few Cirque du Soleil show in my life, and I think this was my favorite I've ever seen. Now we made our way far from the Mirage. We walked all the way to Park MGM to come and have dinner at EATALY. This is our last dinner here in Vegas. So we're gonna just enjoy our food and then probably gamble a little bit. But then that's gonna be the end on this trip, and we're gonna have to go back home. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.